Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English with Friends. I'm Jessica, and with me today is my good friend, Bruss.
Hey there, I'm Bruss. Great to see you all again. Today we have a fun topic. We're going to talk about hobbies in English.
Yes, hobbies are things we do for fun when we're not working or studying.
That's right. We'll learn how to say what we like to do in our free time, and you'll get to practice speaking with us.
Remember, don't worry if you're a beginner. We'll speak slowly, explain clearly, and repeat important phrases.
And if you're enjoying the podcast, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us a lot.
All right, ready to start?
Let's go.
Okay, first, let's listen to a short conversation between us. Try to listen carefully and catch what hobbies we talk about.
Here we go.
Hey, Bruss, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like playing guitar. It helps me relax after work. How about you?
I love reading books and watching movies.
Nice. What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies. They make me laugh.
Oh, I like comedies too. I also enjoy action movies. Lots of fighting and explosions.
Of course you do. Okay, great job listening, everyone. Now let's talk about what we heard.
We used some important words. Let's learn them together.
The first one is hobby. A hobby is something you do for fun. For example, my hobby is painting, or my hobby is cooking.
Can you try it? Repeat after me. My hobby is...
My hobby is reading.
Great. Now let's try with other hobbies. Say it with us.
My hobby is swimming.
My hobby is drawing.
My hobby is playing guitar.
Awesome. You sound great already.
Now, here's something important. After like or love, we use verbs with ing.
Yes, we say, I like reading. I like playing. I like cooking.
Let's practice. I'll say the start and you finish the sentence. Ready? I like.
Good. Maybe you said, I like dancing, or I like watching TV.
Nice. Now let's try I love. I love.
Perfect. Maybe I love cooking, or I love reading at night.
Great job.
Bruss, what other hobbies can people have?
Many people like listening to music, taking photos, riding a bike, or playing games.
I also know people who enjoy gardening, running, or doing yoga.
Oh, yes. Yoga is great. It helps you relax and stay healthy.
Let's make some sentences together. I'll start. I like listening to music when I walk to work.
I like taking photos of nature, trees, flowers, the sky.
I enjoy cooking dinner for my family.
I love dancing with my friends on the weekend.
Good examples. Listeners, what about you? What do you like doing?
Yes, speak with us. Say, I like reading. I like painting. I like playing football.
Excellent practice.
Let's listen to the conversation again, but this time try to catch the verbs with ing.
All right, here it is again.
Hey, Bruss, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like playing guitar. It helps me relax after work. How about you?
I love reading books and watching movies.
Nice. What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies. They make me laugh.
Oh, I like comedies too. I also enjoy action movies. Lots of fighting and explosions.
Of course you do. Okay, great job listening, everyone. Did you hear those ing verbs? Playing, reading, watching, laughing.
That's right. These are called gerunds, but don't worry about the name. Just remember to use verb plus ing after like, love, or enjoy.
Exactly. And here's a small note. You can also use don't like or hate for things you don't enjoy.
For example, I don't like waking up early. I hate doing homework.
I think everyone hates doing homework.
Oh yes, me too.
Okay, let's play a quick game. I'll say a hobby, and you say if you like it or not.
Fun. Let's go.
Cooking.
Maybe you said, I like cooking, or I don't like cooking.
Next one. Swimming.
I love swimming, or I don't like swimming.
Good. Now, reading books.
Nice job, everyone.
Now, let's learn one more phrase. In my free time. It means when I'm not busy.
For example, in my free time, I like watching movies. In my free time, I go for a walk.
Your turn. Say it with us. In my free time, I like.
That's great. You sound awesome.
So, today we learned how to talk about hobbies in English. We practiced I like plus verb ing, I love plus verb ing, and in my free time, I like.
We also learned that a hobby is something you do for fun, like cooking, painting, or playing games.
Exactly. And don't forget, the best way to learn English is to use it. So tell someone today about your hobbies in English.
Yes, talk to a friend or write a comment below. We love hearing from you.
Before we go, we have a question for you. What's your favorite hobby? And what's the first thing you do in the morning?
Write your answers in the comments. We might read some of them in the next episode.
Thank you for learning with us today. You did amazing.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and keep practicing every day.
Bye for now, friends.
See you next time.